welcome back to my channel. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment the next video I should do, or just comment. So, I have a squishy vending machine that I personally made, and small squishies can fit in here, or medium, and mine doesn't look the best because I'm not done like painting it, so yeah, I just want to show you right now, and yeah. So yeah, let me make sure. So this is how it looks. What I said, it's not done painting. When it's done painted, it'll be good. And this is where you pull the thing. It says, pull, see what you get. Smiley face star. Pull it. And then right here is where you insert the coins. Right here is where you get your items to see what you're going to be getting. But you can't have these. You're just going to see how they feel and stuff. If someone doesn't know what squishies are. And you need any type of penny, quarter, nickel, anything, dime. But for the worker that works it, if they want a free one, they get a magical thing to stick inside and pull out. So yeah, let's see how this baby works. So let's just place the camera like this. I don't really know how to place the camera if you guys need to see. So, let's see what you do. So, I'm just going to show how the person does it. So, I'm going to do first a quarter and you will get back your money. So, let's just insert a quarter. And it falls right here. Then get it back. Let's try a penny. So, yeah, let's just pull out and see. First we're gonna see the squishies. Ooh, how squishies feel. Okay, let's put those aside. And then you're gonna, sometimes you are like, you have to sometimes shake it because it gets too packed, and sometimes you will get lucky and get lots of them. So yeah, sometimes you will get lucky and get lots of them. So this round I got 2. I got a apple and I got a cat. That was with the quarter. Now we're going to try penny. Got your penny back. Then I'm going to pull like so. With a penny, I think you're only going to get 1. Good luck, you'll get 2. But there's still some in there, you can't really see them though. Oh, what did this one come with? Did this one come with the quarter? I don't know. So yeah, and now we're going to see with the mystery one, that's the workers. So this, I'm the worker for it, so pull it in, pull it out. Here, let me show you. Yeah, pull it in, and then pull it out. And then, sorry you guys, there's too much filled up ones. My box is too filled up. Okay, so I shook it. We got this one, sorry, because it got stuck because there was one like facing the wrong way, so yeah. Oh, and I got another one too. Oh, apparently I got this one too. Did this one too. Oh, this one. So yeah, and let's just wait until to see when this is gonna be done. Oh. Apparently there's a big gap that is making all these squishies fall. So, yeah. Try not to make that happen. We have to cover that up. Oh, oops. I seen it my way instead of your guys' way. It's kind of sad. Insert the coin. And if you need it. Oh. Oh, okay. That one just, the quarter went inside the gapper. try sometime. Look, if the quarter gets stuck, my quarter just gets stuck, especially with the workers employee thing. So you just do that, and look at that. Quarter came back. Let's see if we get double coined, triple coined. Let's see. Okay, hold on, let me just fix something. See, we got on the sound. The cat got. Oh, whoa! What do we get here? Oh, looky! We got the good one. If we put triple, the good ones stay last. So we got this cat paw and here. And that is all for today's video. And